How to get the DNA test filter on TikTok. The DNA test filter is currently one of the most popular on TikTok. I will show you how to access this filter. Open the TikTok application. Click on the plus button in the middle of the bottom of the screen. The camera will open. Click on Effects. Press the search button. In the search field, type DNA test. When the filter appears, click on it. If the filter does not appear in the search results, check if your TikTok app is updated. Select one of your photos or use the camera. I will use a photo downloaded from the Pexels website. Click on the red button and hold it down for a few seconds. The DNA test filter is now applied to your photo. And we have received a detailed DNA test report on your origin. Click on the confirmation button. You can share the result on your story or post it. If you want to share it as a post, click on Next. Click on Post, and the report on your origin will be published. Keep in mind that this filter is primarily intended for entertainment, and the results may not be accurate. I hope you found the tutorial interesting. Follow us for more useful videos.